Hiya folks, this is Michael from Ireland and my channel is What's in Michael's Bag. Would you like to know what's in Michael's bag? Please subscribe in order to feel alive. Okay, I hope you had a good weekend and you had plenty of fun and frolics on the Fun and Frolics farms. Please tell us what you did. Oh, it's all interesting stuff. I can't really go into all the details, but I had plenty of fun and frolics on a regular basis. Okay, so as you know, on a Monday is a dreaded food and drinks. And I don't eat anything hot or spicy. I asked you last Monday what was in Michael's bag. Was it Dijon mustard, hot curry powder, or spicy Italian seasoning? And as you know, I don't eat anything hot or spicy, just plain old stuff. Yes, an omelette, fine, and chips. Okay, so let's see what's in Michael's bag. 3 items, which one was it? Aha! Here we are, upside down. Hot chili powder. Aha! Now, see how this works. Oh, look, yes, good stuff. Yeah, that's always comes me on a Monday. Okay, so let's try and open it. I always have difficulty opening these. I should rehearse these, really. Right, that's one off. Hot curry powder, indeed. See how hot the thing is? Right. Aha, there it is. Can you see it, folks? Oh, good stuff. Look at that. Right. Okay, put that there. So, right, let's down the hatch. Hot curry powder, no less. Dreaded food and drinks on a Monday. Daz always comes to me. I don't know what do you do, Daz? Yes, sir, I'm not paying you. Don't love my teeth. Oh yes, it's started already. Oh God. Hot bloody stuff, good enough for Indians. Daz, you rub it. Hey, don't be Daz. Oh, good dear. Good love of a trouser. Oh, boy, Daz. Look at the stare, Daz. My mouth has gone all dry. Hot curry powder. Oh, okay. Yeah, drooling. It's a bad sound. I start drooling. Oh, look at that now. The hot curry powder. That's true, I'm not. Oh yes, the hands are gone. Oh yes, there's somebody going. No, my mouth is swelling up until, well, I'll tell you. No, it does. I like it for it does. There's up and up. Question of the day wanted to distract my mind. Why do all superheroes wear underpants on the outside? I'll do one more because it's burning my mouth. Got my eyes on. Comes in threes. Look at that suffering for the art. Oh, suffering that we does. Yes, I know, yes. Oh, God. Please subscribe in order to feel alive. No, got to be. Oh, God. Oh, it's all gone wrong. Okay, let's see what's on next Monday's challenge. Well, my mouth is dribbling. Is it onion chutney, hot chili powder, or pepper reddish? I'll have to do some pepper. Well, it's gone. I've gone. Oh, look at the state of that. Oh, it's all gone. It's all gone wrong. Okay, please subscribe to feel alive. I'll see you next Monday for more food and drinks. Okay, bye. Bye. Oh, and a big shout out to Raymond Connolly. Many thanks for Raymond Connolly. And I've gone over the 100 subscriber mark. Thank you very much. Please comment, subscribe, share and like. You know you want to. I'll be watching. Thank you very much. All my fans. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Bye.